Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. If you followed the series, there was 13 episodes of me restoring this 2003 YZ450F. So we're gonna get it running today and go for a little rip around the yard. I did have a few issues on the first startup when I started in the shop. On both sides, this oil pipe was leaking when I was kicking it over, and I had to end up filing the surfaces flat and using a little bigger O-ring. With a little bit of silicone on it, and then I was able to get them to seal. Second thing that happened is the clutch cable went away. It was a brand new clutch cable. I believe it was a Motion Pro, but I'd have to look through my records, but it just kept getting softer and softer. I was maxed out on the adjustment, so I don't know what went wrong with that cable. It was collapsing somewhere. I ended up putting the original cable on for now and ordering a new one from Yamaha. Should be here in a week. And then the third problem I had was the overflow was dumping coolant when it was running, not coolant, fuel. And had to take the float bowl off, and I ended up putting the float needle that was originally in there back in. That seems to have cured it. So that's it. It runs, it shifts. I can barely get into fourth gear in my yard. I don't even know why you'd need fourth on this, but it's got a really tall first gear. You could just chug around the track pretty easy in first and second. I got a burble about half throttle. I'll have to check into the jetting. It it's nice off the bottom, burbles in the middle, and cleans out in the top end and goes like snot. Anyway, this bike is going to be for sale. If you're in Western Canada, Southern Alberta area, and you're looking for a fully restored 2003 YZ450F, hit me up. I don't think you'll find a nicer one. Sort of finding one in a crate. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you next time.